With so many gangs to deal with in the country, prisons in South Africa are very important in keeping down the menace these groups cause. Unfortunately, some of these correctional facilities have not turned out to be what they were intended for. It is only by understanding what some of the notorious institutions have become that you can appreciate those that are doing a great job. Have you ever wondered how to survive in South African prisons? Or do you have someone that has been incarcerated and are wondering about their safety? While these facilities come with their own issues, the following are the top 5 notorious detention centers in South Africa that you'd never wish a loved one to end up at. With so many offenders and gangs around Cape Town and other places in the country, there is need for such offenders to be taken in for a specific period of time within which they are expected to have reformed before re-entering the society. While this works for some offenders, it may not always be possible for all. The ability to reform or not may be dependent on the facility of incarceration. The following 5 are probably some of the worst a criminal offender could be sent to. Before you ask how long is a life sentence in South Africa, you better start praying that a loved one is not sent to any of these centers. There is Kokstad Prison, also known as Ewongweni Simax Prison in KwaZulu-Natal. This facility is considered the highest maximum correctional facility on South African soil. It comes with wardens stationed at every corner, 10 electronically and CCTV monitored doors, as well as steel doors that one must go through before entering or exiting the facility. This facility houses 906 of the most notorious and high-risk offenders. Among them is Ananias Mathe, who is ranked 46th. He had attempted an escape in 2013, but it backfired when guards caught up with him on his plan. There is Grootvlei Prison. This facility is made with allegations of corruption, with guard officers accepting bribes from offenders that can pay for preferential treatment. On a surprise visit conducted on the facility, it was established that there were dangerous items with the prisoners, something that should not have been the case to begin with. There is Helderstrom Prison. Helderstrom Prison is one of the correctional facilities that is known for violent attacks on both officers of the law and the offenders themselves. It is one of those correctional facilities in the country that is an intense initiation that is often carried out by high-ranking offenders. Tales of torture are also commonplace. The situation is terrible to the extent that most offenders end up committing suicide, especially those that are in solitary confinement. There is Pollsmoor Prison. Pollsmoor Prison is not only the worst jail center in South Africa, but also one of the most dangerous in the world. This jail has inmates living in overcrowded spaces, and it is almost as if Cape Town gangs run it. Diseases spread rapidly due to the overcrowding menace, and some of the inmates have awaited trial for years on end without any future results. Cases of violence and crude weapons among inmates are commonplace. It gets worse. Since a facility that is meant to host only 3,900 inmates has over 8,900 inmates. There is Goodwood Prison. Also making it to the list of worst correctional facilities in Mzansi is this Cape Town facility, which was started with a good intention. The center was meant to accommodate detainees awaiting trial. It quickly became a center of excellence due to its efforts to save inmates through a variety of projects and programs it ran. Among these are sexual offenders programs, life skills programs, orientation programs, and AA programs. Unfortunately, what started as a good plan ended up dangerous. The overcrowding of major correctional facilities led to inmates being brought to Goodwood as a way of creating space for dangerous criminals. Over time, the facility became worse as it took in dangerous gangs and it became overcrowded. There you have it, folks. Whether you have been convicted under the First Time Offenders Act in South Africa or you are a repeat offender, you need a safe environment to save your time. Whenever you know that a family member or loved one is convicted, you better pray that he or she ends up in one of the better prisons in South Africa. It is disheartening for one to commit suicide because of hard prison environment, no matter what crime they may have committed. Well, folks, that's all I had for you today. Make sure to like and comment to this video. For myself, Bidot, and I'm Zanzi Crew, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For now, it's Ura.